welcome to Bella's vlog. This is Bianca.
Oh, hi. Welcome back, kids.
Welcome to Bella's vlog.
Follow your dreams. Yeah.
Hi.
Hola.
Is that for the vlog?
It is.
You have a vlog?
I do. Willie. Hey Willie, look at water.
We can eat these chips. And get a clear beach.
No, last year.
Out, get some beads.
Is your name Mandi?
Oh my God, Eric!
What the?
I got that on tape. Boulder.
Ask me about my wiener.
Ask me about my wiener. Ask me about my wiener. Big claw hole. Big rock hole.
Yeah, Bella, how you like that? Right in your face. We got Mandi Rogers. What's up, bro? I found a squirt gun on the river. Eric, and f***ing buddy from high school. Wow.
We're gonna order a pizza on the river.
No, we're not.
Ordering pizza on the river, I guess.
Let's keep recording.
Why are you
spraying
spraying
my
legs? I'm hot.
Because this is payback for the 18 minutes that you.
My eye.
Several days later.
Words that I say, downtown the lights out, but we choose to stay. I don't know where this may go. These strangers know all the words at my shows. I tell, she loving our style. Shit makes her face red whenever I smile. I lay down, takes off her clothes. Wake up, I leave for the door. Tell myself I don't need a drink. I got champagne iced in the sink. They keep calling me for the link. Music's there, but damn, still I think I need you.